Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Grow with Ranjit Raj. Today I'm here with another Canva tutorial that you would really love because this is going to be about a t-shirt that you can design for yourself. So this particular video is about how you can design a customized t-shirt for yourself. It can be for your brand or personally, it can be just for you. You can design it for yourself, for your friends, for somebody's birthday, somebody's anniversary. And it is something which is a personalized gift. And people love personalization. And that's why I thought, why not share this? Because I have created a lot of t-shirts and I love wearing them. So I will show you how you can design your own t-shirts. You can check them out beforehand, before getting them printed, that how it will look like in real life. I will show you how to see mock-ups where you can see how it actually looks so that you can get an idea. And then based on that, I will also show you that what method do I use to get the t-shirt printed and delivered to my house. And check out the video if you like, then make sure you mention in the comment section what did you like about the video. If there is something that you would like me to create, any other tutorial, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. I would love to see more people here, and that will motivate us to create more videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'll just go to Canva. And if you do not have an account on Canva, or if you would like to see that, how Canva works, I will make sure that I will add the link to my full Canva tutorial where you can actually see that how Canva works. And I will add it in the description itself. You can have a look and you will learn Canva from there. And then you can create exciting designs just like this. Okay. Once you are here, what you need to do is you just go to this section and write t-shirt. Okay, that's it, nothing else. You will get to see a lot of designs like that. Now, don't get confused because these are not in the shape of a t-shirt. So don't get confused. It's just that this thing, the thing that you can see, the design that you can see, that will be printed on your t-shirt. Okay, so don't get confused. What we will do is, rather than if you like something from here, you can just take the design and you can edit it on your own. And if you would like, you can start from scratch. Okay, so there are very beautiful templates. You can definitely experiment. But right now, I am going to design a personalized t-shirt. So I'll just click on create a blank t-shirt. Okay, now my favorite color is black. So I will change the background color to black. Okay, and now I will add a picture. So you can upload a picture from right here from the upload section. So I already have a photo uploaded, this one. So I'm going to use this one right here. And if you're wondering how did I add this border, it's very easy. Let me quickly show you. So I'll just let me take this picture, okay? So I'll go to edit photo, take any photo of yours, then just get the background removed. If you don't have Canva Pro option, then you can go to photo room and get it removed from there. It's very easy. Now, once the background is removed, I'll just go to shadows. I'll go to outline. I'll select the color. Let's say I want a yellow outline. Okay. And then you can decrease the size or increase the size of it. Okay. So that is how you can give a sticker effect to any picture of yours. So I'm just using this one. And I will go to elements. I'll go to shapes. And from here, I will take this shape. Okay. And it's an elongated semicircle, you can say. So I'll just make sure that it is not covering my entire photo. And now I would like some bright color. So I will look up for neon. Okay. And position backward. Now I'll make it smaller. You can make it like this also so that there is a pop-out effect that looks good. So I think we are good with the picture. Don't complicate the design. Now I'm just going to add some text. Okay. So I will go to text. I will take a text and change the color to white, and don't give shadow effect. Okay. When you are designing it for a t-shirt, because sometimes the shadow effect do not come out well when you are designing it for a light t-shirt. This one is black, so it won't be a problem. But still, just for your reference, I'm telling you this. Now, this font I will change to Horizons. Okay, it's a very beautiful font, very broad font. So this I will write lifelong. Okay, and I will make sure that this particular lifelong word is aligned to my this yellow box. Okay, neon or yellow box, whatever. Lifelong is okay. Now I will just duplicate this text and let's say I'll write partners. Okay, so I'll change the font. I'll not use the same font. I will go and select the font, which is Poppins. Okay, Poppins again is a beautiful font. So I'll choose Poppins bold and I will make it capital. And then I will just keep on increasing the size of it until it reaches the size of lifelong. Like that. Just make sure that it's of the correct size. Now, just to add a hint of color, I will change the partners to yellow so that they complement and it looks good. Okay, I will select all of this and move to the center of the page. I think we are good. And I will save my design. Okay, now how do I save it? I'll just go to PNG, transparent background, and download. Nothing else. Okay, so now you have your design ready over here. You have to see whether this looks good or not. How do we see? There is a website called Smart Mockups. I will add the link in description, so don't worry about that. So this is the website, and you just need to go to apparel here, and under apparel you will find t-shirts. So I'll just select t-shirts, and now you have to select free options, okay? Because we don't want to go for the pro ones, they are chargeable. And now you can, let's say I want to see on this model, how will my t-shirt look like? So first make sure and check whether the t-shirt is available in black color or not. So the one she's wearing is white. If you go to customize t-shirt color, yes, black is available. Very good. I'll come here to images and click on upload and just upload the picture we have just downloaded. Okay, wow, look at that. Now you can customize it also. If you think it's too big, you go to edit, and from edit, you can just change this to custom, and then you can decrease the size. You can see real time it is moving. Okay, so you can manually just place it wherever you want it to be. So I think this much is okay. Perfect. And continue. So this is how my t-shirt is looking like. I really like it. And I will save this. Okay, so this is my version. The girl's version is right here. And I will get one more so that I can see that how will it look like if a guy wears it. Okay, so let me select this one because I'll get one for Ranjit as well. This is for me. I'll go to customize and see. Okay. And now I will just upload the photo. This one. Okay, it has to be in the bust area. So I will click, I'll go to custom, and then I will move it upwards. Because it is kind of a sweatshirt, I will keep it bigger only. Otherwise, it will look very small. But I think I like the way it looks. Okay, maybe I can increase it a little bit more because I have place for that. Okay, that's too much. Yeah, this much is okay. Perfect. Wow, look at that. So here it's looking a little hazy, but don't worry about that. It is perfectly fine and done. So from here, you will get to see how your design will actually look like. Let me show you side by side how the designs have turned out to be. So this is my first design, my women's collection, and this is my collection, which is for the guys. Okay. And I absolutely love it. And I think that if you design something like this for yourself or for your friends, they will be super duper excited. Okay. Now, once we are sure that, okay, this is what I want to get printed for real, what do we need to do? There is a website. You can look up any website, honestly. Just search with print t-shirts online and you will get whichever is nearer to you. You will get those websites, but I use Vista Print. Okay, that is the name. So here, all you need to do is just search with t-shirt. Okay, it'll get you a lot of options, whether you want it to be, um, with collar, without collar. Let's say I want to go for this one. Okay, in black color and upload design. So I will just upload the design that we have created right now. Just give it some time while it's loading. Okay, upload your image. And now I will select that picture. So you have to make sure that it's of good quality. So always select the template that I have shown you. Okay, then it will be good. So it just is adjusting everything over here. And I think it's good. And this yellow section is the area where you have to keep your design. It shouldn't be more than that. So I'll make it bigger so that it fits right inside that box. I won't make it any bigger. I think this is good. And I'll go to next. Okay. And this is how the t-shirt will look. I really like it. And now you just have to authorize and you have to make the payment. I think it's 500 rupees. You have to select the size and everything, get your address, and it will be delivered to your house. So for 500 rupees, you will get your customized t-shirt. And honestly, it looks amazing. So if you want to create t-shirts like this for yourself, for your family, for your friends, go ahead and do that. And if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with more people. Thank you so much for watching.